Good day, students. Myself, Mrs. Swarupa Deshpande from Advocate Bapusaheb Bhonde High School, welcomes you all for today's English 1 class. Today, we are going to read lesson number 3 Buying Things. Listen and read. Soham and Reva are going to a shop with their parents. What a big shop! Mother wanted to buy some things. Father wanted to buy some things. How about you, children? Do you want to buy something on your own? Here's some money. You can use it to buy anything you like. Shall we buy chocolates? Shall we buy crayons? Shall we buy a toy? Please help us, mother. What should we buy? Well, you can buy something that will finish up quickly, or you can buy something that will last long. You can buy something made by others, or you can buy some things and make something yourself. That's a good idea. Let's buy things and make new things with them. Soham and Reva picked up some things. They went to the counter. We want to buy these paper, glue and colors. How much is it? 95 rupees in all. Here's the money, 100 rupees. Thank you. I must give you 5 rupees back. Here it is. That's right. Thank you. Now we will answer the following questions. Complete the following sentences using your own idea. Let's see. First is we are going to a, you can write zoo, fair, whatever you want. This is a picture of a zoo. You will write zoo. I want to buy. What you want to buy? You can write whatever you want to buy for yourself. You can write pencil, pen, anything. The third is I want to read. What you want to read? You want to read a book, right? Yes, you'll write a book. Shall we? Any word you can write there. Play, dance, etc. Now go to the next question. Read and complete the following table. One and many. See, one shop, many shops. If you add S to it. One thing, many things. Yes, when it is many, you will add S. One toy, many toys. Yes, again you will add S at the end. One chocolate, many chocolates. Again you will add S to say many. One crayon, many crayons. Yes, it's S added again over here. One color, many colors. Yes, you have to complete the table by writing the second word. 1 rupee, many rupees. Yes. One idea, many ideas. Again, you will add S to the end. Yes. This way you will complete the plurals. Now go to the next question. Write what you can make using paper, glue and colors. So think, yes, you can make a book by using paper, glue or colors. Right. Next question, name the following. Things that finish up quickly. Things that finish up quickly. What do you mean? What things finish up quickly? Means very fast. Yes, it is money and chocolates. You can finish the chocolates very fast. Things that last long. What are the things that last long? Yes, for many time. Yes, it's toys and paper. Toys you can use for many days and also a paper. Ready-made things. What are the ready-made things we use? Yes, it's glue and crayons. Glue is ready-made and crayons are also ready-made. Things we make at home. Yes, name some things we make at home. It may be like greeting card you can make at home, and also a sweater with the help of a wool you can make at home. Go to the next phonic words. Shop, hop, mop. Buy, why, time. Much, such, touch. As you all know, what are the phonic words? They are rhyming words, the sound which ends with a same at the end. Go to the next one. Meanings. Picked, to take off, quickly, to do something. From phonic words, meanings and all, you have to complete all these things in your notebook, and the previous one you have to complete it in your textbook. Yes. Now the next question you have to write in your notebook is, who said to whom? The first question is, how about your children? Who said this? Father said to Soham and Reva. Yes, father to Soham and Reva. Please help us, mother. Who said this word? Soham and Reva said to mother. Yes, they both said these words to their mother, that please help us, mother. Now see what is the third one. 95 rupees in all. Who said this? The counterman said to Soham and Reva. The things which they have bought is of rupees 95 in all. The cost of that is rupees 95 in all. Now see what is the next one. The next one is, answer the following. Where are Soham and Reva going? So the first question is, where are Soham and Reva going? Soham and Reva are going to a shop. They are going to a shop with their parents, right? So they are going to a shop is a right answer. What is the second question? What did they buy? They bought paper, glue and colors. What did they buy from the shop? They bought paper, glue and colors, right, from the shop. How much did they pay in all? They paid 95 rupees in all. How much did they paid? Yes, they paid rupees 95 to a counter for buying the things, right. Go to the next question. Give opposites of. The first one is big, small. Second is long, short. Third is new, old. Fourth is going, coming. These all are opposites. Next question, make sentences. The first word for making a sentence is chocolate. I like to eat chocolate. Yes. Second word is children. Children like to play in the garden. Yes. These two are the examples of make the sentence. You have to make the sentence like this by using the word given to you in the sentence. I hope you have understood all the answer the following questions and all the questions I have explained you. I will send you the homework. You will complete it in your notebook as well as in your textbook. Thanks for watching the video. Subscribe our class channel. Till then, bye bye all of you.